Greetings! Today I am installing the new and improved version of the Autobeam Performance LED brake light upgrade on my Focus RS. Right, so I've been through this a bunch of times on previous videos in terms of getting the housing off, which is something that we need to do to get at the previous version of the bulbs, to get them out and put the new version in. So I'll just give a quick overview. Essentially, it's very, very simple. There's just two little plastic screw things. One is behind this little door, which we just open like that. We just twist those off, then we come out here, click the light off, remove the harness, and then that is the light off. Okay, so it's this one right here. We just twist it anti-clockwise, carefully pull it out, and then just like a household bulb with bayonet style, twist and remove. Holding them side by side, they actually do look a fair little bit different. I mean, obviously they both have the same red aluminium sort of housing look about them, so they have a similar sort of design ethos, but these are a little bit thinner. And also, well, the two main things that I'm seeing right now are firstly the color of the LEDs. So you can see in the old version, they're sort of like a reddy orange color versus very sort of white in the new version. So that should give a really good penetration out through the red housing, which is, the housing is already red on the RS, so it needs to be really strong to push through that. So I think that will definitely be an improvement. And the other big improvement, maybe even the main improvement, is that on the new version, we have twice as many going around the edge. So you see each of these banks has 6, whereas previously it just had 3. So this should really offer the upgrade that we want and should be a whole lot better than the old version. So yeah, I'm really excited to get these in and see how they perform. The install is just the exact opposite of taking these out. So if I put that down again. So the first thing we need to see is, see the way this hole is lower down, this hole is higher up. We need to match that up with the higher up little barb on the bayonet. So yep, that looks about right. So then we just seat it, push it down clockwise, and that's in place. Then we carefully get it in, find where our little tabs are located, there they are, clockwise, and that's locked into place. Same way as taking it off, I've been through this a whole bunch of times, so I'm just gonna fire this on in the reverse that I took it off, click on the harness, click the light in, put our 2 screws in, and that'll be that. And then we'll repeat the exact same process on the other side. Well, there we go, that is the installation complete of the brand new version of the Autobeam LED brake light upgrades on my Focus RS. I can tell already that they are brighter, even though it's quite a bright day already. I will cut in now a little comparison of the old versus new at night time, which is when you will really see the difference. Well, I hope you like this video. I hope you like this new upgrade from Autobeam. If you do, and you want to go and make an order, make sure that you use discount code ADAM12, I'll flash it up on the screen right now, to get 12% discount on Autobeam when you spend £20 or more. And yeah, I hope you like that. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.